Welcome back to Zimist Coded. So, if you've ever worked on a long Microsoft Word document, maybe a project, report, or thesis, you'll notice something. Navigating through chapters can quickly become frustrating. But here's a simple trick that makes your document feel clean, professional, and super easy to follow. You can actually display your chapter titles automatically in the page header. And the best part? It updates itself as you move through the document. Let me show you how to do it. First, we need to prepare our document properly. Go to your chapter titles, then select each one and apply heading 1 from the Styles gallery. Take your time with this part, because this is exactly what Word will use to detect your chapters. Once that's done, now go to your page header. Just double-click at the top of the page to activate it. All right, now place your cursor exactly where you want the chapter title to appear. Next, move to the Insert tab. Now you'll see a couple of options that can do this, but the one I recommend using is Quick Parts. Click on Quick Parts, then choose Field. Now, this is where the magic happens. In this dialog box, scroll down carefully until you find StyleRef. Select it. Good. Now look for Style Name and choose Heading 1, since that's what we used for our chapters. Once you click OK, boom, your current chapter title appears right there in the header, just like that. Now let's make it look a bit cleaner. I'll align it to the right, reduce the font size slightly, and maybe give it a different color so it stands out nicely. You can style this however you like. Keep it simple or make it match your document theme. Now watch this. As you scroll through the pages, notice how the header automatically changes based on the chapter. No manual editing, no stress, just smart formatting doing the work for you. And that's how you add dynamic chapter titles to your page header in Microsoft Word. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more smart and practical tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.